Over the years, Africans, especially Nigerians and especially the Igbo people, do celebrate people when they have died. This has continued for decades and even centuries, and it is not supposed to be so. So in the year 2024, an event came up by a group called Ịgba Nnewi Progressives. This event is called Ịgba Ọdụka Festival and is meant to correct that wrong impression left by celebrating people when they have died. And this event is all about celebrating people when they are still alive. And the event is called Ịgba Ọdụka Nnewi. Ịgba Nnewi Progressives is a group formed in Nnewi and is meant to celebrate people when they are still alive. And for Ịgba Nnewi Progressives, they target people that are 80 years and above. So in the year 2024, on the 31st of December, the first ever Ịgba Ọdụka Festival happened in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. Parents, people that are 80 years and above, converged in Nnewi Triangle, the heart of Nnewi, for the celebration. Their families, their friends, their well-wishers were out there to celebrate them when they are still alive, not when they have died. So that is what this event is all about, Ịgba Ọdụka Nnewi. It was a very amazing event. It went on very successful. This is the first edition and it was a huge success to show you that people really bought into this idea of celebrating people when they are still alive and not when they have died. So parents were dressed in different outfits, different colorful outfits, converged at Nnewi Triangle. And they sat down, they were entertained, they were celebrated. So many things happened during the first edition of Ịgba Ọdụka event in Nnewi. So I'll allow you to just go through this video and see for yourself how Ịgba Ọdụka Nnewi 2024 happened. So this is the arrival of some of the personalities that attended the Ịgba Ọdụka event. Here is Ịgba Nnewi, represented by the Crown Prince, and here is the Eziweka of Obosi with his cabinet members. Ịgba Nnewi's cabinet members are also here. You can see how they are dressed in white. This is the traditional rulers of Nnewi and Obosi, all in Anambra State, Nigeria. So it was indeed a great event. It was indeed a great event. They came to honor the first ever Ịgba Ọdụka of Nnewi. This event that will now continue to happen on annual basis. So they have now entered the venue and they are taking their seats where they will now stay to witness the event. You can see where they are seated. The Ịgba Nnewi, the Eziweka of Obosi. And mind you that this event started in Obosi. The Obosi people call their own Itogbo. Organizers of this event went to Obosi. They witnessed how Itogbo is being organized. They now came back to Nnewi to replicate the same thing. And here is Okpata Ozuora Nnewi in Isiago. Sir Louis Onwubenu, CEO of Louis Carter Group of Companies.
Okay. 9. None. Okay. Kurapano knows. What's it? Akalugo Bikobia. Amen. Nailgo.
So here is Professor Onyegu, the king of highlight music. He was a performing artist at Ịgba Ọdụka Nnewi 2024. He performed so many songs, and most especially Ekanka. Ekanka fits into the event. So he sang for the aged people, those that have gotten old. He sang for them, celebrated them, while now telling the younger people to live a good life, to live a better life, for them to get older. So here is the oldest person that celebrated Ịgba Ọdụka 2024. You can see her. She came out to dance, and the person at her back, the one at the back, is the next oldest person. They came out to dance to Professor Onyegu's Ekanka sound. You know, everybody was mesmerized. Immediately that sound came up, Professor Onyegu gave an amazing performance. He really gave an amazing performance. You can see them dancing. The two oldest people that celebrated Ịgba Ọdụka Nnewi 2024. You can see them dancing. You can see how people just stood to watch these, our oldies. They are actually above 100 years. One is 113 years. One is, I think, 110 years or so. They actually can see how strong they are despite their age. They came out to dance. You can see them, they are dancing. You can see the people cheering them up. This is amazing. This is so amazing to watch. You know, what is better than celebrating people when they are still alive than when they have died? Nothing beats that. And here is James Louis Okoye Ebubanedo, the founder of Nnewi Progressives that organized this successful event. You can see him, he's dancing after the event went on successfully. He was rejoicing, he was fulfilled that finally his dream has come true. You know, nothing beats actualizing one's dreams. This is amazing. Ebubanedo has been doing so many great things in Nnewi, and now this is now counted among the so many things he has done. You can see him rejoicing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Nothing beats calling people together and they answer you. Nothing beats that. So these are the celebrants, different celebrants and their families taking pictures with the cake, taking pictures. It was a great day.
Ayan.